Hello paper lovers, welcome by a new YouTube video for hipkitclub. It's Josefine here with another process video on Weekly Friday, and today is all about the Christmas songs. So I choose for the song Oh Christmas Tree, and I fold circle Christmas trees from the design paper. So here I show you how I made these Christmas trees, how I fold these Christmas trees. I cut a circle from the design papers from the November hip kits, and um, I cut the circle in half, and I sew the edges with gold sewn thread. And here I fold paper forward, and then I fold paper back and forward, and at the end I fold it back using some adhesive tape to stick everything together. And here I'm creating my Christmas tree. How bigger the circle, how bigger your Christmas tree will be. So I choose for different sizes of Christmas tree for my scrapbook page that I'm going to create. So for the first time, that's not for the first time, but usually I scrap on a white cardstock. But for now, for this video, I use some design paper as a background. I cut a circle from the white cardstock, sew it with some golden thread, and put it in the center of my page. And I choose a photo for me by the Christmas tree, of course. We decorate the Christmas tree at home, and I drink some hot cocoa for the Christmas tree, and looking at all the beautiful decorations that we hang with each other in the Christmas tree. And here I place the Christmas tree on my page in the center, put my photo on top, and I already selected some die cuts and flowers that I fussy cut out from the design paper to decorate my scrapbook page further. These November kits from the hipkitclub are filled with beautiful elements, die cut stickers, puffy stickers, alpha sets, word strips, word stickers. So many beautiful decorations. It's just a really awesome Christmas kit to decorate your scrapbook Christmas scrapbook layouts, or your just December daily, or December mini to make a December mini album. I think there is so much decoration and papers that you can do a lot with these kits. So I'm so happy that I have enough embellishments. So this layout will be full of a lot of embellishments, an explosion of embellishments and layers on this layout. So here I distress the edges from some die cuts. I place Christmas tree die cut on top of my folded Christmas trees, put some presents under the Christmas tree, and here I'm decorating my my origami Christmas tree with some cute little Christmas baubles in my tree. And I love to decorate my tree on my page as well. I did some fussy cutting from the design paper from the main kits. I love the beautiful Christmas flowers, and I cut some twigs with my metal dies. And you can use metal dies from the October kit, and cut some white twigs or leaves from the white cardstock, and use them as an extra decoration between the flowers, the Christmas flowers from the beautiful design papers from the November kit. And here I make a wreath with all the beautiful flowers and twigs that I cut out. And I love how that turned out. So the flowers and the twigs, I use some adhesive tape and some 3D foam to put everything in place, and I love how that's turned out. So now it's time to make my Christmas title on my page, and it will be "Oh Christmas Tree, Oh Christmas Tree," because it's all about the Christmas songs today. And when I'm done with my with the title on my Christmas page, I made some white and festive splatters. And look at all these gorgeous embellishments and die cuts on my page. It looks so very festive, and I love how many decoration there are in these gorgeous November hipkitclub kits. So um, when my title is in place, I made some white splatters, and I made the white splatter with white acrylic paint that I mixed with a little bit of water and made some white splashes, and it just looked like snow on my page. And snow is perfect, and I love white Christmases. So I hope you enjoy watching my video for today, and don't forget to check the blog and the Facebook group for more beautiful inspiration with these gorgeous kits. And for now, I want to wish you already a beautiful and lovely Christmas. Enjoy these lovely times with family and friends, and I hope to see you next time on YouTube. And for now, wish you a beautiful and crafty day, friends. Bye bye.